What's going on, YouTube? In this short tutorial, I just want to talk about the RRI function in Excel, which just basically returns an interest rate equivalent to a return that you would get on an investment. And let's just say you wanted to use this function to quickly compare two different options. One would last for 2 months. You'd invest $5,000, get a $50 premium, and get $5,050 back. The other one was for 3 months, but you got invested $5,000 and got $5,075 back. To use the RRI function to quickly compare which one would be best, you can use equals RRI, open parentheses, and PER, so the number of periods. Well, this is for 2 months, so 1/6 of the year, comma present values, it's going to be what we're investing, and then comma future value, what we're expecting to get, and then close parentheses. And as you can see, the first option will give me roughly 6.15% return. Now, comparing option 2, RRI, open parentheses, the first is the number of periods, so that's going to be it's going to be a third of the year instead of a sixth. Present value is what we're investing. We're investing the same $5,000, but we're expecting to get $75 back. As you can see, the second option only yields us a 4.57% return, while the first option will yield us an approximate 6.15% return. So this is great because we can quickly compare the two returns, but also kind of just see how much better the first option is over the second. That's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.